Votegoat is very user-friendly for your audience. They don't have to download an app or install anything. It just works cross-platform on any mobile device. The only thing they have to do is open their web browser and go to go.votegoat.eu. Here you can log in. Now you are connected and are able to vote, give multiple answers, respond, ask questions, or share comments. This can be done anonymously or with names. It is possible to install Votegoat as a web app. This can be useful for when you prepare tablets for your audience. Click the Options button at the bottom of the screen. Choose Add to Home Screen, and Votegoat will appear as a real app on your iPhone or iPad. This feature also works for Android devices with the Chrome browser.